Guys and girls, dctmakes here. You guys seen these before. I'm going to say after buying one, piece of junk compared to you know, like drill doctor and stuff like that. But drill sharpener, drop your drill in, got little tiny lugs in there, lines it up, drops it in, supposedly grinds your drills well. No luck with this. There's a bunch of them on the internet. They're useless. So we did a bit of butchery here and made something different. So yeah, I hacked it up, turned the wheel raising all the way down so it's relatively tight, cut away the binding here, you know, where it keeps all the crap away. Not too bad of a little wheel, but so we put it in here. It's strange. I'm not going to try and show how to sharpen the drill, but in detail. But the little wheel turns sideways, right there. Stand up. Oh jeez. Okay. The little wheel in here, not too bad, not too loud. I'll just do this drill. There's the end of the drill. Tacky, it's got burnt out. Yeah, it's getting there. We'll just dress it a little bit. Drill level. Yeah, we got not too bad of a cut. Two pieces of OSB there, straight through. Two pieces of OSB straight through. Hey, a little bit of hackery. Cut away, make sure you don't lose the stands here so you can keep the top down, because this does keep this wheel in place so you can raise it up and down for its normal process. But the wheel, it's not bad actually, this wheel. I don't know how long it's going to last, but other than throwing it away because it was not grinding well, maybe you want to hack one up. See you guys, bye.